Hello everybody and welcome back to one more video today. Yesterday's video I made this aluminum play button sand casted for celebrating 50 subs yesterday. I didn't expect to hit 50 subs yesterday, so I had to make this video really quickly and it was not that great. Now with slightly less preparation, I'm making today, or with slightly more preparation, sorry, I'm making today's video another play button, because last night, not only did I hit 50, I also hit 100, and yes, this morning I hit 200 as well. So these are racking up pretty quickly. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to be casting it out of copper, using this piece specifically and some more coils of wire and spool, and make a replica of this, but copper. So let's go get to that. Due to some weather complications, I've had to put this video off till later in the day, but I don't think it's getting much better. The weather, that is. Piece of cardboard to prevent the crucible from sticking. A little trick I learned from Big Stacked Casting. I recommend you go check them out. I'm using my larger crucible I have here just because I melted copper in this last and there's still some copper stuck in here. So just simplify things. Just finished the mold for the copper play button. This is actually the first time I'm casting copper in sand. So let's see how this goes. Alright. There we go. The reason it was making that noise, if you can even hear me, was because it ignited down in the tube instead of out the front, where in the tube, so this setup I have, it's a Venturi valve, if I've got that correct, where it sprays the propane out of the here's a, wow, I can't talk today, a MIG welding tip through here, and it pulls in oxygen with it, and it creates a good mix, and it gets a really nice jet going. So it's heating up the crucible and the copper right now, and yeah, I'll get back to you when it is melted. I've got my super cool glasses on. This is just to protect my eyes from the brightness. It's insanely bright in there. Check out all the flames that come out when I toss in some copper, the enamel on the wires. Actually, I'm not even sure if this is enameled, but this will spark up some flames. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty rad. I'm a cool kid. I use words like rad and lit. That's lit. I am your father. Check that out. It's insanely hot. Safety 101, don't ever do that. Don't replicate anything you see in my videos except my haircut, because everyone wants my haircut. However, it is dangerous, you know. You have to feed off the girls with a stick. It's annoying. Especially with these glasses, it makes it like 10 times as dangerous. It's hard. It's hard being as cool as me. especially with my totally cool guy shirt. Yeah. Yeah. Commentary. That's even hotter. Not as hot as yours truly. This is dangerous. Why do I do stuff like this? Anyways, I cannot believe that we hit 100 subscribers that fast. It blows my mind. Super cool guy glasses in the super cool guy pouch. It's insane. I tried to make a YouTube channel a couple of years back, and it took like 2 years to get 100. Now, I got over 100 in one day yesterday. Yesterday I actually got, let me think. I think almost 200 full subs just yesterday, which blows my mind. Thank you guys, because each and every one of you is one of those numbers, and without just one of those numbers, it would not be that full number. So thank you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Everyone watching this, thank you. And if you aren't already subscribed, go join those numbers. Make it lit. Make it big. I don't know. Thank you guys, though, so much. It was a channel I used to try and do. It was a gaming channel. I was a little squeaker back then. It was terrible. Oh, God, it was awful. Listen to my voice right here.
Hello.
That was like my first entrance on YouTube. Like, that was the first words I spoke in my first video. Well, besides here, yeah, I was cute back then. Then I got gross. Now I'm just sexy. Alright, let's pour this shit. Oh yeah. Big reveal. Damn, I can't get a grip on it. Probably because it failed. Oh! Look out. Check this out. Alright, so it's not perfect. But it'll do. Some copper from that explosion actually splashed up onto my screen. here we have it. The final product. Happy 100 subs. I'm sorry this video is coming out so late tonight. I'm having some throat problems, so speaking is not fun, so I'm gonna try and make this short and sweet. Thank you guys so much for 100 subs. Please like this video, share with your friends if you enjoyed watching, and I hope to have another video up soon. I'm gonna try and edit this together real quick and get this out for you guys before the night's over. Thank you guys so much.